Hello, Mr. Dowse here. This is the walkthrough for Python Task 7 extension. And what I asked you to do was explain what's going on here in this print statement. Now, this is a little bit different. We've got a print statement that spans multiple lines of code, and we're concatenating these lines of code. We're gluing them together using a plus outside of the quotes. How can we tell that plus is outside of the quotes? Well, it's in white, so it's not included within the quotes. And what we should notice is we've got roses are slash quote, so that should put a quote and then another slash quote afterwards. So it should say roses are red. The outside two are obviously to make it to a string. So it should say roses are red, red being in quotes on the first line. Then there should be two tabs. In fact, that's not the first line because this doesn't start a new line, look. So it should say roses are red in quotes, first of all, and then directly connected to that there should be two tabs, so quite a big gap, and then it should say violets are, and then again blue slash quote, so blue is in quotes. Again, we're going to glue that together, and then we've got another tab, but a single one this time, not a double. A Python is a snake, and again snake slash quote, so the word snake will be in quotes, and then we're going to glue that together again, and we're going to put in another tab, and it's going to say and a programming language too. So even though this is on multiple lines in my code, I expect this to write this across the page with the words red, blue, snake in quotes. Let's have a look and see if I'm right. I'm going to run the module, bring it across, whoops, sorry, and let me just make it a bit wider so you can see it. Roses are red, red in quotes, space, violets are blue, blue in quotes, space, a Python's a snake, snake in quotes, and a programming language too. So that is what you should have hopefully noticed in task 7, and that's task 7 done. Thanks for watching.